Carl Sweeney Home, 1892.
I'm bored.
Ah. 1892 restaurant, is it? Thomas Carl House, 1892. We do lunch and dinner as well. There's Creek Gallery. Oh. Sofa looks comfortable, doesn't it? Please do not sit on me. Stop. Yeah. There's Creek Gallery.
What's the next country there? Just a store, is it?
Yeah. Some people are more like dogs. Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. Wine and cheese. Looks like it's good, chutney.
We're gonna eat in Puckett's Grocery and Restaurant here in Leapers Fork.
The original one, right?
I believe it is, yeah. I'll have to check that, but I think this is the first one.
We've been in Nashville one.
Yeah.
Now we're going to go in this one.
There's one in Franklin as well, which we haven't been in.
We haven't been in that one.
So we're in the original Puckett's Grocery in Leapers Fork.
Nothing's changed, is there?
No, it's more,
Stuff to buy, isn't it?
yeah. It's more true to its roots than the sort of Nashville one, which is a more modern take on Puckett's Grocery, and there's one in Franklin as well, which is again is a more modern establishment, but this one retains its original charm. Plastic cutlery. See if the food's good. Cheeseburger fries and grilled cheese and sweet potato fries, alright?
Yep.
Yeah, burgers, nice. Freshly made. Good. This is the Hampton Inn and Suites in Berry Farms, just outside Franklin. This is our last day, and to be fair, it's a relatively new hotel, but still quite impressed with this so far. Walking through the dome, we've got a sink area, the ice bucket, fridge. Let's try opening the right way. Fridge, microwave, coffee maker on a slide out door there. Sofa. I don't know if it's a pull out bed. Yeah, it's a pull out bed as well. Desk area. Usual widescreen TV. What have we gone to? Oh. Storage space and as baskets. King size bed. And the bathroom then is behind sliding door. Big mirror, that's the ironing board. Case thingy. Towels on a pull-out drawer as well. Hairdryer. Towels, they weren't that messy. That was me. Big mirror, and then the separate toilet and shower room. Nice walk-in shower. Very nice. Yeah, all in all, I haven't got too bad a view from here as well. Got some building work going on over there, but still it's overlooking the pool area. Nobody in there, although it's quite warm enough. That's the, what's it called, porte cochere. So it's sort of out the back. And it's handy because it's literally just about a quarter of a mile that way is the interstate going up to Nashville, because this is about 30 minutes south of downtown Nashville where we are now. Just beyond the trees there, I can't see it, but there's a small little shopping area with a Publix as well. So yeah, all in all, quite impressed with this. Yeah.
It's good. It's lovely. Very nice.
For Hampton, so
Yeah, and
sort the cases out because we're only here 2 nights before we fly home. Oh, hang on, so yes, they got power. Yeah, they got power points by the side of the bed, look. Yeah, one pull out. Same the other side. Oh, they've got the power points this side. They've got a sort. What's that?
Okay.
It's in the lamp. Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, so we'll have a look at the rest of the hotel. This time we've got we'll settle in now and sort cases out ready for the day after tomorrow.
Okay.
And Sean wants to watch a film.
I do. I want to see what's going on.
This is the lobby area. Shop for the last minute gifts. Yes. Sitting area, coffee. And breakfast area. Centre and pool is down here, so we've got rooms on the ground floor here as well. Fitness rooms in there, but somebody's in there, so I won't stand gawking through the window. That would be weird. This is the pool at Hampton. Not a chance to get in there, unfortunately. Looks nice though. We got a little cookout area, a little barbecue. So this is a new Hampton Berry Farms. Oh, I come close. I think it'd be safe in the dry part, nearly. Just south of Franklin in Tennessee, about half an hour out from Nashville. It's a beautiful area, beautiful part of the country. There's a lot of building work going on all around, so it's expanding out all the time. So I don't know if Berry Farms is actually part of, as we would say, the post town is Franklin. But it's pushing out further and further by the look of it all the time. But it's certainly a very nice affluent part down here. Some of the houses we passed back up there are somewhat on the large side, should we say. We have stayed many Hamptons in our time coming over to the States, but this one is this is the nicest Hampton we've stayed in. There's been nothing wrong with the others, that's why we stay in Hamptons a lot, but this one is certainly the nicest one we've stayed in, definitely the best room we've had. This is around the front of the building, the reception's around the back where the car park is. But this is the front of the building, this is the breakfast hall through the doors here. And from the reception over there, come on here, they've got a little fire pit. Plenty of seating. So, background to the pool.